Welcome, and let's talk about Tectonic token listing. Now, the developers have actually said Tectonic token will gain 2 top exchange soon, that Tectonic holders should get ready for top 2 exchange listing. And we believe with this, of course, this is a good news for Tectonic, because Tectonic is going to gain more community. Tectonic is going to gain a rise soon once this listing get is approved. Now, we don't know yet the 2 top exchange that will be listing Tectonic, but I hope that this is going to be 2 top exchange, like we're talking about exchange like Gate.io, Kucoin, we're talking about OKX, because these people can shake any coin to really increase in price. But for now, I know that Binance and Coinbase might not be listing this coin right now, but we believe that in future soon they will soon list this coin Tectonic. But Tectonic gaining 2 top exchange is going to make Tectonic to hit between 1,000 to 10,000% within 6 months. But although it depends on the exchange that will list Tectonic token. Well, to me, if Tectonic have already gained the support of VVS Finance, it has been listed on crypto.com. These 2 alone can push Tectonic token to regain a lot of rights in the future. But bringing in another 2 top exchange, what are we expecting? We are expecting immediate 1,000 to 3,000 rise, and then after like 6-7 months, we believe Tectonic must have gained more community, and then Tectonic is expected to delete between 2-0. Deleting 2-0 simply means Tectonic must have earned 10,000% increase in price. That is to say, $100 investment will return $10,000 profit. But to me, that is not all they need to do. I think they also need to burn off their Tectonic coins, because Tectonic have about 500 trillion coins in circulation. This is a lot of coins which they need to burn out. They need to burn out these coins in order to attract the top crypto investors like whales, in order to attract let's say people like Binance, people like Coinbase to come in, people like Robinhood to say yes, they can really list Tectonic token. But Tectonic right now have over 500 coins in circulation, which to me, I think they really need to burn off these coins. Well, once again, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.